Hi guys, it's V and Pam is behind the camera today.
Hey everybody.
I want to say I missed you guys. I was out for a few weeks, but I'm back. I might disappear again, but no offense. Anyways, so we're starting with our 25 days of Christmas, and one recipe that we have for you is our cranberry sauce, and we're gonna try and make it to where you can use it in your oatmeal, you can use it on your toast. You know, it can make a good breakfast, like a jam sort of thing. You can put it on almost everything. You can put it on chia seed pudding, you know, multiple use, however you want. So what I have here is 1 pack of cranberries, which I've washed, and Pam, you know, tossed the bad ones out for me. So I'm just gonna put this in this pan right here. And with this, now I have 1 orange that we zested, and this is the juice that came out from it. Now, if you do not have orange juice, you could work it with water, but I'm gonna add the zest in the end, so I would say stick to the orange because it gives a good flavor. So I'm gonna put the orange in here, and now I'm gonna put this on the heat and let this go. When it starts to burst, that's when I'm gonna add in my maple syrup. And I have like about half a cinnamon stick here, and I have 2 pods of cardamom. So I'm gonna add that, you know, when I see the cranberries pop, I'm gonna
How much maple syrup are you gonna add?
I'm gonna add about ½ cup of maple syrup. Now the reason I'm adding ½ cup is because the cranberries are really tart. So I want it to be sweet. I don't want it to be tart, you know, because it is multi-purpose use. So we're gonna make this to where you can use it for multiple reasons. So come on over, guys. So I'm gonna set this on about medium high, and I'm gonna cover it up. And when it starts to pop, we're gonna come back and add the rest of the stuff. The heat's up. All right, guys, so I hear a lot of popping, so I'm gonna open this up and see what's going on. So there it is. It looks good. It smells good, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna turn the heat down. Let's toss this around a little bit. And yeah, I can see the cranberries have popped. So that's a good thing. And see, the pectin from the fruit is kind of making it thick, you know? So here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add my maple syrup in. I'm gonna take every little bit out of it. Shouldn't be wasting maple syrup. If you are, something's wrong with you. And I'm gonna put the cinnamon in here. And remember the 2 cardamom pods we had? I'm gonna crush it right here. This is kind of my favorite thing to do. If you're angry, crush cardamom. Just kidding. It's just fun to do. So I've kind of made the little pods almost into powdery, and I'm gonna put this in here. And now I'm gonna put this back to like a medium-ish heat. I'm gonna turn everything around. Now we're gonna make this cook. I want all the liquid to kind of evaporate. And then I'm gonna come in with my potato masher and mash everything together. But this has to cook down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the lid partially on. Not fully, but partially, about this much. So that, you know, it can all melt and the liquid can evaporate. So we'll come back and show you how that goes. All right, guys. Now, if you look at this, a lot of the liquid has evaporated, and you can see most of the cranberries are mush now, which is what you want. So I have my potato masher here, and I'm gonna go in and start mashing everything up. And I can smell the cardamom, I can smell the cinnamon, you can smell all the flavors going on in here. And as this starts to cool, it'll settle down like a preserve sort of thing, like, you know. So I think it's like the perfect. You can even put these on cookies. I was just thinking about it, you know. You can use it for whatever you want. Now I'm gonna put this on I'm gonna turn it high because I want everything to come together. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start tossing it around with my spoon. I want it to be just a little more dry. And then I'll show you guys what the consistency that I want. And then when everything is done, I'm going to mix in some of the zest of the orange that we had. But I want it to come off the heat before I add the zest. Look at that color. Isn't that color pretty?
Looks good.
And you can put this in a blender and blend it up, make it more of a, like a, you know,
If
like
you want it to be smooth
more
versus
smoother.
chunky.
Yeah, you can do that, and that's fine too. You know, you'll still have all the flavors. It's just what kind of texture you like with the cranberry sauce. But I like it this way. I like the little chunks coming in my mouth, and you know. All right, so this is good now. So what I'm gonna do is turn off the heat. Let me grab something to hold it with. All right, now I'm gonna bring this here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my zest in. I'm gonna add every little bit of it. I'm gonna mix it up. Oh, it smells good. I'm gonna give this a taste test. Tell you guys, it's really hot, but I'm gonna go for it. All right. Try.
No, don't burn yourself.
Yeah, I'm not going to. I have to eat the rest of this. So yeah, I can't do that right now. But you guys can see, look at the consistency of it. It's pretty decent. You know, you can spread this on bread, on a toast or something like that. And put it on your oats, make a chia seed pudding, make a cranberry chia seed pudding. And I think it works. You know those cookies that you dollop a little bit of jam in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
This would work with that. And you can even put it on your vegan yogurt, you know? Like you would chocolate or peanut butter. All right, I'm gonna go in for this. It's good. It's really good. I can taste everything that's in there. And it's not tart, but it's not super sweet either. It's perfect. So try this out and let us know what you think about this. And don't forget, we have our 25 days of Christmas coming up. We're mixing our Indian and American heritages. We're bringing several recipes to you guys. So don't forget to check us out. And you can check us out on Instagram. We're K-Vegans. We're Kindred Vegans on Facebook. And check out our website, kindredvegans.com. And like Pam says, be a Kindred Vegan. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.